Hello guys, I am Shubham from Tutorials. In this video series, we are solving GATE BT PYQs of the year 2025. In this video, we will be solving aptitude questions. Okay, so before we start, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever new videos out. This is absolutely free from your side, but it will help us grow. The first question: is there any good show dash television tonight? Okay. Select the most appropriate option to complete the above sentence. I have not taken much questions, okay? Simple questions, those you can answer, I have selected without the mathematical knowledge. तो यहाँ पे सबसे एक्यूरेट क्या होगा? In, no, at, no, within, no, on, yes. Okay, so is there any good show on television tonight? Got it? This is a 1 mark question. This is another question based on the passage. Why do they pull down and do away with crooked streets? I wonder which are my delight and hurt no man living. Every day the wealthier nations are pulling down one or another in their capitals and their great towns. They do not know why they do it. Neither do I. It ought to be enough, surely, to drive the great broad ways which commerce needs and which are the life channels of a modern city, without destroying all history and all the humanity in between, the islands of the past. Okay, this is from Elias Belloc, The Crook Streets. So based only on the information provided in the above passage, which one of the following statement is true? Means passage से ही आपको आंसर सिलेक्ट करना है, right? So what you can understand basically, the author of the passage takes delight in wondering. Okay, then the wealthier nations are pulling down the crooked streets in the capitals, right? See, this is the same statement given. Wealthier nations are pulling down the crooked streets, one or another, and is crooked streets in the capitals. Okay, so this option 2 is most accurate statement. Okay, correct statement, and others are wrong. In the past, crooked streets were only built on islands. This is wrong. This is wrong. And great broadways are needed to protect commerce and history. It's also wrong. Got it? So these two questions I picked up from the aptitude, which are solvable without any numerical based knowledge. Okay. To sum it up, we have solved, basically you will find 3 videos in this series. 1 mark questions, 2 mark questions, and aptitude question in this video. Okay. So 1 mark question and 1 2 mark question, that goes to 3 marks, right? About 2 mark questions and 1 mark questions. 1 mark questions we solved 13, right? 13 into 1 is equal to 13 marks. And 2 mark question we solved 14. 28 marks. So total is 44 marks without negative marking. Okay, I have showed you from the content available on the channel, right? So let's check with the cutoff now of this specific paper of 2025. You can see general cutoff is 28, which is very less, right, than the questions we have solved. Okay, so 44 marks you can get a good rank as well, right? You can check the other cutoffs as well. So based on the content available on our channel, I have showed you how you can solve the questions quickly, easily, and in the simple way, right? So that's it for this video. I hope this video helps you. If you find this video helpful, do let us know in the comment section. Like this video, share this video with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Thank you.